Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my LipMonthly unboxing for August. Really cute bag with some starfish on it. And inside we have a card, welcome to the August 2019 bag. So you can share your bag to be featured on their Instagram. So let's take a look at what we got. Sometimes they used to put the prices of the products, but they haven't done that for at least a couple months, so maybe that's not what they do anymore. But this first item is from Model Co. And it's in the shade Tango Pink. I'll go ahead and open it. So here's what the packaging looks like. It's a really light plastic. It feels kind of interesting. And the shade is very pretty. That's definitely something I would use. And I did catch a whiff of it when I opened it. It does not smell like lipstick. It actually kind of smells like mango, which I love. So that's the first item. Next up, from Kuri, we have a lip liner in the color Playful. Typically don't use lip liners. And I'm wondering, yeah. So it does match the sticker on the outside. So it's a real bright pink. Probably not something I would use, but I could probably pass it to a friend. Then we have Luna by Luna. Color is Cosmo, and it's a lip oil. So that's something I would use. Let's take a look. Very little to no pigment. Doesn't really have much of a scent to it, but that's something I would definitely use. And the last item in the bag, Doop, I guess is the brand, and it's lip gloss. The shade is Peak. I don't think I've heard of this brand before, so let's take a look. Oh, that's pretty. It's interesting packaging. It kind of has a frosted look to it. That's really pretty. And that's also probably something I would use. It has almost like a copper sheen to it. Very nice. So this bag used to cost $10 a month. Cost a few more now. I think it's about $12. I'll put all the information below because I always tend to forget, but I still think it's a good value because you get at least 4 to 5 items and they're full size each month. So if you guys would like to subscribe, I will put a link below with all the information. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.